Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician, and in this video I am going to be reviewing the CeraVe Advanced Repair Ointment. If you're dealing with very dry or compromised skin, or you're just curious about this repair ointment, stick around. I'm going to let you know the benefits, how to incorporate this into your skincare routine, but basically how to get the most out of this repair ointment. CeraVe Advanced Repair Ointment is rich, non-greasy and fast absorbing ointment designed to provide intense hydration for very dry skin. So here are the key ingredients. First, you have ceramides. Ceramides are lipids which help to, protect the skin barrier. If the skin barrier is compromised or if the skin barrier is damaged or broken, what happens is that there's excessive moisture loss. Just look at a barrier as your security. If your security is compromised, what happens? You have a lot of invasion. So lots of things you do not want begin to invade the skin in this case, and then not just invade, things escape as well, such as moisture. So there's excessive moisture loss, and when there's excessive moisture loss, the skin becomes dry, flaky, breaks. Another key ingredient is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant that holds up to 1,000 times of its weight in water. So when hyaluronic acid is incorporated into our skincare routine, then it helps the skin to stay plump and hydrated. Then there's glycerin. Glycerin is another fantastic humectant, enhancing hydration and softness. Dimethicone. This is a silicone that helps to provide protective barrier on the skin, locking moisture while providing smooth texture. Now, moving on to texture and application. So this advanced repair ointment is thick in consistency. It's like Vaseline, if you ask me. It has that consistency, so it is thicker than creams and lotions. And then how you use this is that you want to apply a bit on the problem area. For example, if it's the elbow area, you want to make sure that it is clean and dry, then you apply it there, and then you can apply it there as often as possible as required. You can also use this for your face, for your lips. It is very versatile. People with skin issues like eczema, excessively dry skin will really benefit from this. But like I always say, if you use it and you find out that it is irritating or it's making matters worse, just stop. But generally it seems to work. Like a lot of people seem to love it, and it can also be layered with other skincare products. If you have compromised skin, say you've done microdermabrasion or chemical peel, this is such an amazing ointment that would sort of protect the skin and promote healing because of the properties. Like if you've ever done chemical peel, you notice that the skin tends to be very, very dry, and you need something sort of like an occlusive that will help to lock in moisture basically. So this is such a good one to consider. A wonderful way to use this if you have dry skin, like after taking a bath or a shower, let your skin be a little bit damp, then use this all over the body. It gets to trap in moisture and your skin will be hydrated for much longer as opposed to using it on properly dry skin. Then if you are also one of those people who wash your hand a lot and your hands tend to be very dry and you've used lots of moisturizers and you're wondering, oh my goodness, what am I going to what's going to help? This ointment can potentially help save your hands. If you are in an environment where the weather is very harsh, for example, right now it is winter period, and this has come in really handy. It's always in my bag. Once in a while I just pop it out, pop on my lips, or even around my nostrils where my nose feels really dry on my hands. So when incorporating this into your skincare routine, you have to ensure that you use lightweight products before this, because this is really, really heavy. So if you have your light moisturizers, your serums, use those ones first before using this one. And so in conclusion, this is a fantastic option for people with excessively dry skin or compromised skin, as it will help to protect the skin barrier, help to repair the skin, alleviate the dryness, keep the skin feeling soft, smooth and restored. And so guys, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. By the way, have you tried using this ointment before? Are you considering using this ointment? If you have used this, or if you're considering using this, be sure to let me in the comment section below. Let me know your experience. And with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.